Howdy, folks. Let's take a quick look at how to make your Google Slides agenda appear here in Schoology. So you're going to first take your mouse or your trackpad and you're going to hover right above the top portion of your materials where you see a green dotted line. That way you know that when you add a page, it's going to show up and appear right at the very top. That's where your agenda will be for your students. Okay, so we will type in daily agenda or whatever you would like to call it. The next thing is super simple. You're going to go up to the insert content button, which is the square with the arrow pointing to the down right. And you are going to choose Google Drive Resource App. Once you go in there, your Google Drive is by most recently touched, whether it be by you or anyone that's shared with that document. So I just opened this 2 seconds ago. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to choose up here for import. I'm going to use the embed option. You can do multiple at once. So if you have maybe one that does agendas with links, and then you have one that does maybe just a calendar view of like the overlay of your quarter, you might want to have that in there as well. I like to go in and center it. And then if you click up at the top, you'll notice there's this little picture icon. You can view it to make sure that that is the correct one. You can also enlarge it just a tad bit. I go to 600 because on a Chromebook, we want to make sure that's looking pretty good, not too big. And then make sure that you keep the constraint proportions on, so that way it changes it for you. I'm going to click on Insert. Stays there. I can get rid of any space that I feel I need to. And then the other thing I do is I click on Display on New Page or Display in Line. So this is in line. I don't want it to go off to a new page. So this is going to appear right at the top once I click on Create. And there you have it. Right at the very top, we have our daily agenda. Students can flip through. They can check out some of these items, whatever you have set up. Strongly suggest having the most recent updated be the first slides that they see as soon as they show up for the class. So I hope that this helps with the daily agenda slides. Don't forget, you can also use your Schoology course calendar if you would like to just mark different events for different days along with those assignments that are automatically put in the calendar if you don't want it all cluttered with your agenda slides. But it's up to you and your comfortability and what your students would prefer. Hope this helps. Have a great school year. Take care, everyone.